This is my sweet and sour crispy chicken with rice. And the best bit is, it's friggin' gluten-free. We're gonna start by putting our sesame oil in our hot wok. Put our onions in. Next, our capsicum, pineapple, our tomato paste. Next, we'll go in with our ginger and garlic. Next, we'll go in with our pineapple juice. Next, we'll go in with our spices. Next, we'll go in with our gluten-free soy sauce. Next, we'll go in with some rice vinegar. Next, a whack of black cracked pepper. Next, a good pinch of salt. Next, 1 cup of brown sugar, a little bit of cornflour slurry. Serving, whack your vegetables back in. So we're gonna pop a little bit of water in this and make a nice little wet mix. So we're gonna pop our chicken into our wet mix. So next we go into our dry flour mix, just like good, massage in. So next we pop in our chicken. So guys, our chicken is ready when it starts to look like this bad boy. Next we're gonna put on our sweet and sour sauce. And next we just mix in our sauce to our chicken, and look at that, friggin' yum.